Hey guys, it's Jessii V. So today I have kind of a short video for you guys. I thought it was better than giving you guys nothing, because as you know I haven't been feeling well, so this was kind of an easy video for me to make, and it's also really cute. I know a lot of you haven't seen my dog Dozer. He's a bulldog. He's really fat, really lazy. I show him a lot on my vlog channel, so if you don't follow that, you can check it out. But yeah, I thought I'd just kind of give you a short clip of him doing what he does during the day. Please enjoy. I'll put some cute music to it, and yeah, here you go. Okay, so my dad is going to show you some tricks that Dozer can do. He's already lying down. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Shake a paw. This paw. No.
Shake a paw.
Now the other way. Lie down.
Good boy.
Sit.
See if he stays.
Stay there. Come.
Aw, good boy. Good boy.
Sit right there. Good boy.
He's so cute.
Lie down.
Aww.
Alright. You need
Another cookie now.
to... Yeah. Bark. No, bark. What was that? No, not throw up. Sit. Bark. No, bark. There you go.
Anyway, so yeah, there you go guys. I hope you think he's cute because I definitely do. And yeah, my social media information is in the description along with my vlog channel and my PO box information. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and until next time, bye!